Hello students, welcome to SJ's English tutorial. Today I will explain you a grammar topic, determiners. Determiners are the words which are placed before a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase. They determine the noun whether it is specific or general and introduce the noun. We generally use determiners in English language to provide information about a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase. Some, many, any, the, a, and, that, this, these, those, his, her, etc. are called determiners. See the example here. I will buy that sanitizer. That is a determiner. She has stitched many face masks. Many is a determiner. We can't use determiners with all types of nouns. These are always used in front of the singular countable nouns. It is optional in front of the plural nouns. Determiners may or may not be used with uncountable nouns depending on the context. We use determiners to specify, to state quantity and number, and to state the difference between nouns, possession, etc. There are several different denominators in English language. Some of the determiners which are used widely are articles, demonstratives, possessives, interrogatives, quantifiers, cardinals, and ordinals. Let's see the details. Articles a and the are called articles. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. Definite article, the is called as definite article. It is used to refer to specific place, person or thing. See the example, the man who is standing near the gate is my uncle. The refers to the particular man who is standing near the gate. The second one is indefinite article. A and an are called indefinite articles which indicate general things, places or persons. A is used before a word which begins with consonant or consonant sound. Example, I want a chocolate. An is used before a word which begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. Example, there is an orange on the table. An is indefinite article. Demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative determiners state about the distance between the noun and the speaker. This, that, these, those are called demonstrative determiners. Let us see the examples. I read this book last night. She picked up that cup from the table. Could you pass those roses to me? Move these chairs to the corner of the room. Possessive determiners. Possessive determiners state about possession. My, our, your, his, her, theirs, its are called as possessive determiners. Let us have a look at the example. This is her room. Invite them to my house. Is it your pen? Did you find her books anywhere? Etc. Interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners are used to frame questions. Which, what, whose or interrogative determiners. Let's have a look at the examples. Which animal do you like to have as a pet? Whose book is this? What design are you drawing today? Quantifiers. It is a type of determiner used before a noun to state about the quantity of the noun. Some, many, few, a few, little, a little, any, more, most, no, less, all, etc. are called quantifiers. See the example. Do you have any idea about lockdown? Give me some potato chips. These are some confusing quantifiers. Let's see their usage and context. Difference between few, a few and the few. Few. It means hardly any. It is used in negative sense. It is used with plural nouns. It indicates a smaller number of people or things. Example, few students attended the seminar. A few. It means some. It is used in positive sense. It is used with plural nouns. Example, a few students have participated in the seminar. The few. It means some. But considered as the whole class or group, it is used with plural nouns. The few students were awarded in the seminar. Same rule is applicable to little, a little, the little. Cardinal determinants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are called as cardinal determinants. We usually use them before a noun to state about the number. Example, there are 3 birds in the cage. I have only one camera, etc. Ordinal determinants first, second, third, next, last, etc. are called as ordinal determinants. We usually use these determinants before the nouns to keep them in order. Let's have a look at the examples. That was my last advice to him. Always try to get first rank in the exams. Hope you understand everything. Practice them well to enrich your written and spoken language. That's all about today's topic, my dears. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel English Made Easy with SJ's English Tutorial. I will come back to you with one more topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and study well, and take care. Bye.